People ask how PCI got started in the off-road industry, and it actually started how many of you have got involved in this off-road industry, and that is getting invited to go to a friend's race because they need a hell of a lot of help to get through the desert. So my father graduated from USC in 1964, and he started a communications company called Phone Consultants International. He did car telephones and two-way radios into the movie industries, and he had a shop on the Long Beach airport. And he got involved in some varmint hunting, and he decided he wanted to go coyote hunting, and he got stuck out in the desert in his International Scout. It's a 67 Scout. He needed a more capable vehicle, and he went to Bill Straught Motorsports, who did a lot of racing. And he began a relationship in 1972 with Bill Straught. This vehicle was done in the tail end of 72, and Bill asked him if he would do a pit for him at the Baja 1000. That's the first race my father ever went to, was the 1972 Baja 1000. When he went, he realized that it was about the most boring thing he'd ever done because of the lack of communications. So he talked Bill Straught into putting radios in vehicles back in the 70s, early 70s on ad, when radios still had tubes in them. And race prepping a radio for my father was devising bungee cords and little things that held the tubes in so they didn't pop out while they were going across the desert. And that's where Phone Consultants International kind of turned into PCI.